How are you? In this tutorial, we'll have a quick look of using the PHP. So PHP stands for, you know what it's PHP. PHP, this is what your pre-hypertext processor. Okay, so you can use this for your backend server scripting, requesting information to your server, especially if you are managing your data and connecting to your database in different database drivers. Okay, from here we will have a quick review or a quick lesson how to attack the PHP without using your SAMP. Okay, your MAMP for your Windows, for your Apple or iMac or WAMP. Okay, because it requires you to install this program when you run your PHP. Okay, here we don't use this thing. We only need you only need to you open your what PHP online editor. Okay, as long as you have your mobile data with you, you can open this. And of course, I'm using the online GB, of course, onlinegb.com editor. So this is the website. I'm using this to run my program. Okay, online gdp.com. So I'm using this to run my program without the sum. All right, this is to practice and of course to know the different syntax of your PHP before running the real application. So how to start with the PHP? It's pretty easy. Start with PHP. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the PHP. This is automatic what you, intelligence. Okay, so we have here the PHP from the start. Okay, so let us start with the PHP. If you want to print something, you can use print hello what word. Okay, so let us run the code. So the purpose of print is the same as echo command. Let's say hello from echo. You start it right here. This is the header and this is the closing remark of your program. Okay, so the purpose of the print command is to display any data. Same thing with the echo. But of course, in the advent of the technology, most of the programmers are using the echo command. You run this program and you see the result. Okay, now let us use this thing and then we can use the N, okay, to separate this code, the output. Okay, this is for the line feed. Hello world and hello from echo. How to declare the variable in PHP? It's very simple. You start with the dollar symbol. Okay, so any variable or any name before name data equals to Arnold. Okay, this is my variable. If I want to print this, okay, I can say print. Okay, let's go to the next line. Okay, another line. And then I can say what? Print what? That is what? String name data. Okay, so this is the variable for my PHP. If I run this program, okay, if I run this program, what will happen? Okay, please wait. Having problem with my microphone. If I run this program, okay, look. So we have here, oops, parse error. What happened? String name data. So we have here the error, unexpected print or T print. All right, let us check this first. And of course, remove this. Okay, so we have to use this. Okay, let us check it again. Okay, and then we run the program. Okay, where's that line? Line 6. Print word hello, print. Okay, having trouble right here. Okay, let's debug that. Okay, all right, let us remove this thing. Okay, so let us use the print string name data. Okay, let us put again here. Always remember that grammar is very important. So every time that you use the PHP, just like the syntax for your JavaScript and C program. So I'm using this print, and remember this is for PHP coding, not for HTML. We are using the native HTML coding right here. Okay, when we run the program, okay, so we have here the variable for the data Arnold. This is for your variable. Now, how to compute the number? It's pretty simple. If you want to compute the number, okay, uh, unlike in Java, you are declaring the data types. Okay, int x equals to 10. But here, you need first to declare the variable and then use it. Okay, for example, string. Okay, add 1 equals to 10. And then string add 2 equals to 10. And then we have here string total equals to, let's say, we need to add the value of add 1 plus string add 2. Okay. Now, if you want to print that, all right, you can use echo. Okay. The sum is, of course, we can use the period. Period is equivalent to plus a concatenation symbol. Okay. Then we infuse the spacing. Okay. And then string what? Total. Okay. When you run the program, you can see the total of, okay, PHP error number 9. I don't know. We have here the error. Now to debug the program, it is very imperative that you check first the grammar. It doesn't mean that if this is the error, that is for number 9. But again, this will not continue number 9 because the error is number 7. There is no termination statement in number 7. So we need to do that. That's a tip. So the sum is 20. Okay. So we have to bring this to the next line, okay, so that we could have a clearer view of our program. All right, that's it. So hello world, okay, the sum is 20. Hello world, hello from Echo Arnold. Okay, now this is the example of your PHP program. You declare the variable using the string, okay, for the string, and of course for the numbers. All right, if you are declaring a general number, you can say, okay, gen number. You can put there, okay, an integer. This is the integer. You can use also what? Float data 10.1. Okay, same thing. You have only to declare the variable. Now, how to create the array? It's very simple. Okay, let us erase this thing. We start with the array. If you are using a Java program, just type first the array x, right? Int x I equals to. So we have the array right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's example for that. But here, it's totally different. Okay, string, for example, list of data equals to array. So array is a reserved word. Okay, telling the statement, telling the compiler that you're referencing to the array. Let's say you can use here Arnold. Okay, this is the name, and then Amy. So we have right here. Now, if I want to print this array, it's very simple. All of the array, okay, how to print that? So I need to write a loop. Same thing. The first statement of the loop is the initialization. Second statement is the comparison. Third statement is for the incrementation. Okay. Now, how to do that? So string x equals to 0. String x less than to what? Well, you can do that like this. But in PHP, you can use the for each. Okay. For each command. Okay. So for each command, this is one of the uh, command where you can print the array. So this is where we need to print each of the array of this list of data as string result array. This is now the variable where you place your result. So when you print that, print, okay, let's say you have here. So string, what? Result array. This is very important when you're writing the PHP. It's not about communicating to your database. It's very, before you do that, you need first to practice how the syntax works, and, to have a continuous programming in your project. You should understand the basic statement. Okay, so this is the array. When you run the program, okay, Arnold Amy. But again, okay, so we have the Arnold Amy right here. What if we need to, to provide a maybe a spacing or something? Okay, okay, so you can do that later on. Okay, so this is how you do it, Arnold Amy, for the command. Now, if you want to display the offset of the array, how to do that? So we have to put it here. Okay. Okay, print display the offset or index of the array. How to do that? It's very simple. Same thing in other programming languages, except only for the command. No. So let's say print. Okay. We need to provide another what return. I'm telling you, this is about PHP. There is no HTML involved here. This is to attack only the PHP command. Okay, so we need to print. Okay, so print what? So that's the string. What is the array at the top? So list array, and then we have what? List of data. Okay, and then say we need to print 0. What's the result for that? Let's check. So the output is null because in array, the first element is 0. 0 as the offset or index, and ME is part of 1. If you change that to 1, okay, what will happen? It will display what? ME. So these are the examples of how to attack the PHP program. Now, if you want to display the directory, okay, how to do that? But again, I cannot display the directory here. I just want to display the current folder of this IDE. So I can use some of the command. You can use the dir, you can use the scan dir, no, okay, you can use the scan dir. Oh, these are the commands, no, in this main directory. You can even use the get the current what directory in path. So we will use the command. How to do that? For example, string there equals to get. Okay, so from here we can say print the current path and folder or directory. Okay, so we can say, okay, point, this is the concatenation, and then we put the string there. Okay, let's see what will happen. So when we run that, this is nice to creating a program. See? So you can even do the looping and at the same time use the different functions, the handles to find the root and the subdirectory of the program. Okay. Now again, for example, if you want to convert your data to hex to binary, it's very simple in PHP. So we need to declare a variable for that. For example, this is the variable data number. Okay, so we have 10. Okay, or 10 only. If you want to convert this to decimal or to binary, it's very easy. So we can use binary to decimal, binary to dec to binary. So we can use dec bin. I don't know if there is a dec bin. Yes, there is. So echo. So we need to convert that. Then dec bin, and then we can say string data number. Okay. So this is how you convert that. Print, then converting this number to what? To binary. So, this is unique. I mean, this is really cool. So this is how you to use and how to practice in PHP without using your XAMPP. Okay. So when you run the program, let's see what happened. Parse error expected. Where's that? Of course, this is the error. Okay, when you run the program, okay, unexpected home print. Where's that? In line number 4, string data number 10. String data number 10. Please wait. We will have to check this first. Print, converting this number to bin. Okay, this is where the error stays. So when we run the program, okay, this is now the conversion of 10 to binary. If we change this to 15, let's check. And then we have it there. That's it. Now, when you want to convert the numbers to binary by looping, okay, print, okay, we will loop right here. Okay, print, okay, get the conversion of decimal to bin here. So how to loop? It's very simple. So we can use the loop command for Okay, the same procedure, x equals 10, except that we are using the dollar symbol there, less than 10 or less than 11. Okay, string x, and then we need to increment the value of that, and then how to loop. Okay, so we could use echo. Okay, or we can use print. Okay, so we have here to call the function of your what of your deck pin. Okay, this is the decimal. Okay, then we need to put here point, and then decimal is string x. Of course, it will count from 1 to 10, and then period again, binary conversion. Okay, we have the binary conversion. Binary, oh, sorry, binary conversion. Okay, you can use this tool to, for math and for hex to binary and other related stuff. So how to convert that to binary? So we use the dec bin and then string what? X. Let us check that and run the program. Okay, so when we run the program, okay, so this is now dec to binary. Oops, what happened? String x, string x, string x, dec bin. Okay, what happened? So let us check this first. Okay, I want to use the echo statement. Okay, let's say echo, then string x. I will check that. Okay, let us run the program again. Get the conversion of dec to bin here. So what happened? Echo string x. X is less than 10. Okay, let me check that. I don't know what happened. So I wanted it to convert it right here. I mean, I will put another, but okay. So we need to run this program right now. Get the conversion of dec to bin here, but again, we are not getting the results for this. Yes, this is it, 0. So we need to run this program. So that's it. So, okay, back to the code. I did not see that coming. This is your decimal. Okay, and then we use period, string x, period. Okay, and then period. Okay, binary. Okay, so we have the binary right here, and then period. Okay, and then we put here the dec bin, and then string x, and then we need to use, of course, this one. So this is the concatenation. All right, we run the program. Parse error unexpected where? In line number, what happened? Line number 12. So this is in home page line number 12. Okay. Wait. Let me fix this first. Binary string. Okay. I always for miss this code. Okay, let us check. Let us wait for the compiler. Oops. Okay, we have this error. Wait. We will refresh this again and copy all the codes. Okay. Control C. Then let us replace the code. Okay, let us reload this page first. Well, we're just borrowing the IDE the of this PHP program. Okay, we run the code here. I don't know what happened. Okay, let us wait now. There you have it. Okay, I think. Okay, so when we run the program, okay, it's a bit. We run the program. Okay, let us wait for the code. Run the program. Okay, so we have here the binary. Get the conversion of dec to bin here. Decimal 0, binary 1, 2. This is the conversion of your decimal to binary. Okay, so that's how you do it. So it's very simple. Okay, now there are some basic statements also. Now we aside from arrays and loops, you can use also the different functions of the PHP. I can just give you a simple function so that you can understand how to use it. Okay. For example, we have the ready-made PHP function for you to be used in your code. For example, you can, display the date in time. So you have to use the date, and then so you can use the date, and then this one. When you run the program, okay, this is already part of the date and time. Okay, it's very simple. Now, aside from that, well, of course, you can use the basic, what you call this, string functions of your PHP. Let's say you have string message equals to hello world. You can use different application for this. Okay, so for example, one of that is your echo and then word count. Okay, this is a function wherein you can count the number of word of your what message. Okay, let us check if this is counted. I don't know. No? So we'll replace this word count to, let's say, char count. Okay, char. I think this is a char count. Let's check. Maybe we can use this. Okay. Okay, let us char count. I don't know if this is correct, or maybe the statement is like, wait, we have here count chars. Okay, count chars. Okay, so we need to run the program. Oops, what happened? String message, hello world. The echo in home page line number 6. Echo. So echo count chars message. Okay, let us run this thing again. What happened? Echo. I don't know. But again, you can use this echo count chars message. Let us use that. Again, that is the error. I don't understand. Count chars, count chars. Let's say we have here. Let us put here, let's say I will put it right here. String d equals to count. Okay. Chars, string, message. Sometimes I forget to miss also the commands. Okay, this cannot be count chars. Okay, count chars. Okay, so this could be echo. Echo count chars. Check. Okay, I will edit this first. Okay, oops, error again. The counters, it has a parameter to display. Okay, we have the 0 mode. I cannot recall what is mode 1. You have 2, and 3 is for displaying what you call is the different character use here. Different character use. Okay. Okay, so that's how I remember it. Or maybe the 4. Okay, the unused character to display. Now I will use the parameter right here. At the same time, I have the error at the top. Okay, so let us check this thing. Message, and then we have to use the message string, let's say 3. Okay, now we run the program. What will happen to hello world? The purpose, of course, we likely to determine. So we have here D E H E hello world. These are the different characters that are being used. There is no we use double L, so therefore it will count only one L. All right. For example, if we use number 4 as a mode, okay. Now we can check this thing. Okay, number 4. Okay, of course, the unused characters will be displayed. All the ASCII codes right there. Okay, cool, right? Now I don't know how to use the word count. I would like to use that word count if there is a word count. I don't know if there is str word count. Str word count. Okay, let us check that. And then let us check what is the result for that. Okay. All right. I think the word count is to print. Okay, that's it. So we have the word count. Sorry, I'm outdated for the PHP command. It's been a long time that I'm using this program. So we have to check the number of words. So we have 2 words right there. So we need to put echo. let's say we have here echo word count is, okay, so we have to put the arrow and then let us hello world. Okay, hello world. Okay, I am here. So let us count that. So word count is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now so far we discussed the basic of PHP, at the same time how to use the basic declaration of the variable and how to use the array, the loops, and um, of course how to use the basic functions. Now we will write a function. Okay, how to write a function PHP. Okay, we start first the word function. Let's say we need to display the string. Let's say hello string hello 1. So this is the parameter. Okay, we start the program and then print string hello 1. So the purpose of this is to pass the parameter to this print command. At the top of the program, when we run the program, we can say hello, let's say hello. Okay, only. If you run the program, what will happen? It will display hello. So in replacement of your print and your what and your echo, you can use hello. Now let us add a default parameter. What is a default parameter? Okay, default parameter has already a value. That's why it calls default. So default data. Okay, let us sign this. Okay, hello there. Okay, now when we say Arnold, okay, let us reverse this. Okay, and then print hello, and then let us check that. Print hello, and then string default data. Okay, so when we run the program, parse error syntax. Okay, I think we need to separate this. Okay, we need to run the program. Let's say hello there. So let us reverse this. Okay, so we have hello there. Where this hello there originate? In this default variable, the parameter. So we need only to give the spacing and reverse this thing. Okay, default, and then we need to provide the spacing right here, string hello. So when we write our name, let's say I will write my name right here. Now, don't be confused because we are using the two parameter, but we have the default parameter. This will return what you call this, the default data of with the hello there, and of course, I will write my name. I will say Arnold, and then when we run the program, whoops, I can see there, hello there. Okay, hello there. I don't know what happened, but of course, no hello there. I suppose that this is Arnold. So, hello one. I'm sorry, that is the wrong grammar. I missed that variable again. So hello there, Arnold. Okay, that's it. Now if I again print, okay, if I again, okay, use this last n and then use this word hello. Okay, Amy, I can say that hey, hello there, Amy. So that's how you write a function. How about if you want to add numbers? Finding what you call this finding the maximum data of the numbers. Okay. For example, we need to write a function for find max data max. Okay, we can say, okay, we have here the x and y. Okay, so the algorithm is very simple. We need only to create two parameters right here. Okay, to find the data. So number one and number two. Now, if number one is greater than number two, return number one. Else return number two. That's the logic. Okay. Now, how to do that? If string, this is very easy, elementary type of coding. String y, this is the algorithm, and then if string x or the first number is greater than second number, then return the high number. Okay, so return string x. That's it. No more else. That's how you do it. Okay. When we run the program, okay, let's say at the bottom, print, okay, again, and then print this area is for, what you call this, for number function. Okay, now remember the function name is what? Is find max. Okay, how to do that? Let's say we have here print, okay, the the max number is, okay, let us put the period that's part of concatenation, and then we need to infuse right now or to inject the name of the function. The name of the function is find max, and then we need to supply our own function here, our number rather, the operands. Okay, so we need to enter one, say, let's say we can say 3. Okay, let us find the max number. Okay, if you run the program, all right, what will happen? Unexpected print. Where's that? Again, I forgot really to put this thing. Okay, another error. Where's that? Amy. Okay, so we run the program. This area is for number functions. Okay, now I will again incorporate here so that you can have a clear view of the output. And then, okay, so when we run the program, the max number is 12. Okay, so let us check this again. If we put that here, the max number, okay, there's no max number. Okay, why? Let us check the code. Okay, it will, of course, we're not able to run the program. Okay, because for one thing, well, you just return the x, the higher order of the number. But if we again apply the force of else statement, if x is greater than y, then it will return the greater value. Otherwise, well, of course, we need to return the lower number. Okay, that is y. Okay, now look what will happen. So we change this value to 100. Okay, if we run the program, so the value now is 100. All right, so that's how you do the thing. Now, there are other basic functions, built-in functions for the PHP, and there are lots of functions, and I'm just talking about the common functions so that you, as a beginner or even the advanced user, can still revisit this code because there are lots of students. Okay, writing a program in PHP, well, most of them are fork, and they don't know how to write a function. Oh, now, let's say we want to use the basic math functions. Okay, here, another basic math functions. We'll erase this program, or maybe we can continue. Okay, we just put here print, then, okay, so we have here print. What happened? Okay, now I am designing this course for the Filipino students and for the Ilonggo students who are watching this video. Okay, now I will I will use the basic math function. One of that math function is the random function. Oh, it's very simple. Okay, how to create a random function. Random functions will create unpredictable results of the number. Okay, for example, we have here, let's say we can print the random from what? Okay, this is what? Random results. Okay, so we need only to provide what? Another, call this, another, all right. Or maybe we can write a function just to return the, what you call this, the line feed function. Okay, can say line L function L only, one word only. Okay, so what's the purpose of this function? We don't have the parameter, but again, we just write this function for, you know, so that we can hasten our codes. So we can use print, then rn r, okay, line feed, and then, okay, that's it. So this is the function. Okay, instead of using this, I can use, well, I can just write here the L. Okay, so L is a function word. to return the line feed. Okay, so that's it. Now, this is the coolness of using the PHP. You can do everything. I mean, you see, you can play with the codes. Okay, random results. And then, okay, cool, right? Now, when we do the random result, we can say print, okay, the random, rand, let's say from 1 to 100. You can play with this. Okay, so when we run the program, let us check the code. Okay, there you have. This is running. Cool, right? Okay. So random results from 0 to 144. Again, random results from 0 to 136. Again, random results from 0 to 100, that is what? 83. Okay, so there you have it. This is a time-based instruction for the PHP, and expect in our next lesson, we will teach you more how to write the functions and of course starting the OOP in PHP. Okay, please don't forget to share and subscribe in this channel. Thank you.